solutions for our 2 hours here on QVC2. What about a solution for not hearing so great when it comes to music and podcasts? We want the clearest sound. We want the best environment around us as we're wearing our earbuds. And Groovz says, let's bring you better, bolder, crystal clear sound for your music, your calls, your podcasts, your audiobooks. And let's make sure you're not breaking the bank. Because for $34.98, you get truly some of the best technology in audio that you can get. And they have beautiful color choices, a charging case, and I'm going to take you through the colors. There's so many beautiful colors for you to choose from. I have a few here in the studio, and then we'll take you to QVC.com for the others as well. Although, okay, yes, perfect. Okay, so this is going to be your paisley option. We have the white marble. I love that. And then we have peacock. How fun. We also have your floral, which is right here. And look at this one. This is your python in that purple kind of snake. That's python. Then on QVC.com, we have a dark blue option for you. Here's your blush. Oh, that's pretty. That is called carbon fiber, and it's always really popular. Ooh, that's really nice. Here's your black. That's just a very generic, nice black. There's that floral option. Your ivory, that's nice and clean. There's your lavender option. And your purple. There's your peacock option. Your paisley. Your white marble. There's your magenta option. Oh, I love that light blue, very springy. This is the one my little sister would love in the leopard. We've got the python option. There's your teal and your white. It's customer top rated. We're saving $14, and we're going to welcome in the wonderful Jamie Hess, a lifestyle expert, also rocking the stripes.
Oh yes, it's like we got the memo.
I love it.
Oh,
We got the stripe
memo.
memo.
We did
We're
get the
also
stripe memo.
kind of colors for the big game as well.
Ooh. Well, I won't say who's the right color.
I know.
who's
I
the
guess
wrong
I'm,
color.
well, around here in the studio, everyone's going to say I'm in the wrong color for sure.
All right, but you know what is right? Groovz. Groovz to save the day.
No one has to argue over
We
Groovz because
don't.
Groovz truly is amazing and
Yes.
all the technology that we want when it comes to our earbuds.
It's so true. And I think we've kind of been groomed to think that if you want the best of the best in earbuds, you have to spend triple digits. So Groovz brings you the best for less. And here's what we bring you. All the bells and whistles that you've come to expect. Oh, I must have to spend 3 digits if I want a smart, let's look at this, a smart LED screen.
That's
I'm
my
gonna
favorite part.
I'm telling you, what, Rachel, why did nobody ever think of this before?
I do not
I'm gonna
know.
show you here, ready? So you see that, it says 99%. That means I have almost 100%. So let me also explain. 20 hours of battery in this case, 4+ hours in the earbud itself. That means together, there's over a full day of battery life in here. Now, they're magnetically held in there, which means they're charging in the case right now. As soon as I open it up and I put it in my ear, it'll say, pairing mode activated. That means I just open the Bluetooth on my phone, the word Groovz pops up. If you're someone who's like, how do I do Bluetooth? That's how you do it. You press settings, the word Groovz pops up,
And that's
boop,
it.
and you're good.
Okay, it's also super comfortable.
It's so
I just
comfortable.
placed it in. I have a problem with earbuds because
you?
they just hurt. I wear them for about 30 minutes or so.
I've heard
I don't know
that.
what it is. I have strange little elf ears, so maybe it's my elf ears. But this gives you a very comfortable fit.
It does have a comfortable fit. And we also give you 3 sizes of ear tips. So you can actually customize it. How cool is that?
Oh, that's
so
great.
Because I've heard that people have different size ear canals, right? And even my little Asher, my 5-year-old, he wears his Groovz. He just wears the size small. Oop, one fell off, but you get it. Size
that's
small.
amazing.
Yeah. So we have a little video I can show you. So check this out. Here's some of the great features. That 32-foot range from the Bluetooth. That means you can put them in, go put your phone down across the room. You don't have to be messing with your phone. You can answer a call. It has Smart Touch Assist, so you can change the volume, answer a call, progress forward in your playlist. Of course, you're getting
On the earbud.
On the earbud itself.
Wow.
You're going to get that HD stereo sound quality. Now, that's what people rave about. If you don't believe me, go over to QVC.com, look at our over 500 great reviews. reviews
Yeah.
on the sound quality alone. Then you have that great case. I think the charging case is really the hero. You have that awesome power level display. Now, once again, I just don't know why everyone's not doing that.
I agree.
I can't tell you how many times I've been stuck on a plane or maybe on the treadmill where it's like, whoops, I didn't gauge it right, and then I run out of battery. And then, of course, because we're QVC, we're going to give you that customization moment in not only the size, but your choice of patterns and colors. And that is what makes Groovz. These great patterns, so much fun, especially for the spring. Look at this
Oh my
floral.
gosh, there's beautiful color options. And for under $35, you get the best in sound quality, this crystal clear quality. You can take phone calls on this. You can listen to your podcasts, your audiobooks, your music, your playlists, of course. And you get to really choose your own personality with each of these beautiful color choices that we have available for you. Now, Groovz is a customer top rated brand in general. This particular option has 384 five-star
Oh, it's
reviews.
so proud, yes.
It's just, people are loving them. So I don't want that price to fool anyone.
Well, and that's what I always say. I've heard from so many people. You'll come into my DMs on social media and say, you know what? I thought that for that price, I would just get them as a backup pair because we all need a backup pair. One goes through the laundry or we lose one on a plane. So you have to have one these days in your pocketbook or in your car. They got them as a backup pair and they're like, oh my word, this is my new favorite pair. And not only is it their favorite because of the sound, but other brands don't have these fun colors. They don't allow you to customize your personality. Look, so if I get the floral case, my earbud is actually floral. It allows me to express myself in a way that's really fun and new.
Yep. Yeah, the same with all the patterns. You'll get that beautiful design on your earbud. It's so fun. This is the Python option that I have. So it matches your case, and then you're getting that Python with that deep purple. It's easy to wear, easy to use. And then again, if you're worried about pairing it with Bluetooth, all you have to do is just see on your phone where it's going to say Groovz. It's going to pop up. I did it when I got home. I have the floral option at home.
Yes.
And as soon as I opened them, I was able to see. It just popped up Groovz.
Just pops right
click
up.
it, and it does it. And then I can play everything that I need.
Yeah, and if you're somebody who's still using the wired ones because you're like, I don't know if I can do it, trust me when I say it's 2 clicks on your phone and it's that easy. Now, if you're somebody who wants to switch out the customized silicone enders, by the way, we also have a how-to video. I just want to share that on QVC.com that makes that really easy as well.
Amazing. Okay, here's your floral option. There's your ivory. We have your lavender and your purple. There's your peacock, is so fun. I love this paisley. Your white marble, very sophisticated.
Beautiful.
There's your magenta and your light blue. Leopard is so fun.
Well, sassy.
That's very sassy. There's your python option. We finally have teal, and lastly is your white option. Jamie, thank you so much for stopping by. These are truly great. I love them. Jamie loves them. So many customers love them. 384 5-star reviews here. So give us a call and place your order, 800-500-7590. Okay, what do you do about the air quality in your home?